First, we will see what is an operating system. An operating system, OS, is a software program that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between computer hardware and software applications, enabling communication and coordination between the two. Some of the primary functions of an operating system include managing memory and processes, handling input and output operations, providing a user interface, managing file systems, and ensuring system security. Operating systems are found on many types of computing devices, including desktop and laptop computers, servers, mobile devices, and embedded systems. Examples of common operating systems include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. There are several types of operating systems, including single-user, single-tasking OS. This type of OS is designed to manage the computer's resources for a single user and allows only one program to run at a time. Examples include MS-DOS and early versions of Apple's Macintosh operating system. Multi-user OS. This type of OS is designed to allow multiple users to access a computer simultaneously and can handle multiple tasks at once. Examples include Unix, Linux, and Windows Server. Real-time OS. This type of OS is designed to manage systems that require precise timing and fast response times, such as industrial control systems, robotics, and avionics. Examples include VxWorks and QNX. Network OS. This type of OS is designed to manage and control networked resources, such as file servers, printers, and other shared devices. Examples include Novell NetWare and Windows Server. Mobile OS. This type of OS is designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets and includes operating systems such as Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. Embedded OS. This type of OS is designed to run on small, low-power devices, such as digital cameras, home appliances, and automotive systems. Examples include embedded Linux and Windows Embedded. Windows and Linux are two popular operating systems with some significant differences. Cost. Linux is generally free and open source, whereas Windows requires a license and can be more expensive. User interface. Windows typically has a more graphical user interface, GUI, while Linux is known for its command line interface, CLI, and customizable desktop environments. Software compatibility. Windows has a larger selection of software available because it is the more widely used operating system. However, Linux has a growing selection of software, and many popular applications are now available for both platforms. Security. Linux is generally considered to be more secure than Windows due to its open-source nature and the ability for users to customize the system's security settings. Customizability. Linux is known for its customizability, with users able to modify and customize every aspect of the operating system to fit their needs. Windows is more limited in terms of customization options. Support. Windows has a larger user base and thus more support options, including official technical support from Microsoft. Linux has a large community of developers and users who provide support through forums and other online resources. Overall, Windows and Linux are both popular operating systems, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the user's needs and preferences. Linux was developed as a free and open-source alternative to proprietary operating systems like Unix and Windows. It was created by Linus Torvalds, a Finnish computer science student, in 1991. Initially, Torvalds developed Linux as a hobby project while he was a student. He was frustrated with the limitations and high cost of the existing operating systems and wanted to create a system that was more accessible and customizable. As he worked on the project, Torvalds made the source code freely available and invited other developers to contribute to it. This collaborative development model allowed the operating system to grow and evolve rapidly, as developers around the world contributed improvements and new features. Over time, Linux became a powerful and versatile operating system with a wide range of applications and uses. Today, Linux is used in everything from smartphones and personal computers to servers, supercomputers, and embedded devices. One of the key advantages of Linux is that it is free and open source, meaning that anyone can use, modify, and distribute the source code without paying a fee or worrying about licensing restrictions. This has helped to make Linux a popular choice for developers, businesses, and individuals who value flexibility, customization, and affordability. Windows and Linux compete with each other in a number of different areas, including desktop and laptop operating systems. Windows is the dominant operating system on desktop and laptop computers, while Linux has a smaller but growing market share. Linux has gained popularity among developers, enthusiasts, and users who value customization and security. Servers. Linux is a popular choice for servers due to its stability, scalability, and security. However, Windows Server is also widely used and offers features and compatibility with Microsoft products that are important to many businesses. Cloud computing. Linux is the dominant operating system in the cloud computing market, powering many of the world's largest cloud services. Windows also has a significant presence in the cloud, with Microsoft's Azure platform offering a range of services and tools for businesses and developers. Mobile devices. Windows has largely failed to gain traction in the mobile device market, with Android and iOS dominating. However, Linux-based Android is the most widely used mobile operating system in the world. Internet of Things, IoT. Linux is a popular choice for embedded devices and IoT applications due to its flexibility, small footprint, and support for a wide range of hardware architectures. Overall, Windows and Linux compete with each other in a variety of different markets and areas, each offering their own strengths and weaknesses. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the user's needs and preferences.